When heading out on an off-road adventure, having the confidence to get you through the dark is a necessity. The Radiance Plus SR Series light bar will keep you going well into the night. Rigid has hit it out of the park with this 30-inch light bar. The Radiance Series lights have always been amazing, but they just got even better with the Radiance Plus SR Series. This light bar has the same durable construction as the standard SR Series, and it fits all SR Series light covers and mounts. If you are wanting to upgrade your standard setup, you will only have to replace the light and not the mounts and covers. The Radiance Plus SR Series features a low profile and has a black powder coat finish for that popular stylized look. The light bar has the same high-impact lens as the D-Series lights, so you know your lights will be protected from rocks, sticks, and other debris kicked up by the tires. But what sets the Radiance Plus apart from the other lights in the Radiance series is the ability to select between 8 backlight colors within the light. Before, you had to choose your color and buy that one, but now you can buy one light and choose the color you want for that day at the flip of a switch. The option to change the backlight is the first of its kind and gives you a truly custom look. This light provides a great all-purpose beam and uses very little power while letting you see what you need to see on the trail. The Radiance Plus SR Series light is rated for off-road use only, so keep that in mind when using this setup. These lights require a lot of wiring and working with the electrical system of your vehicle. They will work with the factory toggle switches if your vehicle comes with them. If wiring is not something you are familiar with, we recommend finding an experienced installer to help get these lights up and running. If you are interested in purchasing the Radiance Plus SR Series light bar by Rigid or looking to have one installed, check out our dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos weekly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.